All right, so this is the other type of fact family question on Evaluate that we're going to look at. Okay, so this one is very similar, but if you notice, these problems over here have a box next to them. Okay, that's important because the other model we did, they had circles here and not as many, because today it says Carrie wants to solve the division problem 6 divided by 2 equals what? Which equation, or if it has this means or equations, which means it could be more than one answer from below, can she use to help her find the solution. So that means this time there's not only going to just be one answer, but there could be two or three, or maybe it's still only just one, right? It could be multiple. We're not sure. So that's why it's really important to make sure we know fact families. Okay, so again, I'm going to do the same steps of where I think about this fact triangle. This is 6 divided by 2 equals what? So since it's dividing, I know 6 is my big number, 2 is my little number, and I'm trying to figure out what is this missing number over here, right? What is this missing number? So I'm going to do the same steps. I'm going to say, well, I know 2 times this blank, right, is going to equal 6. I know that if I flip them, this number we don't know yet, times 2 is going to equal 6, right? Because there's only 3 numbers we could possibly use. And then I know with division, I would start with the big number. So 6 divided by 2 equals blank. I'm not sure, right? And then I flip those. So 6 divided by blank, which we don't know, right, equals 2. And so now I'm going to think, okay, which one's really going to be helpful? Well, 6 divided by 2, that's this one. So that's not going to help me, right? So I know when I'm thinking about division, if I don't know 6 divided by 2, I probably don't know 6 divided by blank, which is going to equal 2. So the multiplication ones, these are going to be my helpful facts. Okay, so I'm going to look over here and see if I can find 2 times blank equals 6 or blank times 2 equals 6. All right, what is this first one? 2 times blank equals 6. Oh, that's the first one I wrote here. So that is going to be an answer. So I would click this one. Okay, let's look at the next one. 6 times blank equals 2. 6 divided by blank equals 2, but not times. So that's not going to be an answer. Blank times 6 equals 2. I'm not multiplying by 6. Again, I'm dividing. 6 is my big number. So I'm not multiplying by that. So that's not going to be a correct answer. All right, what's next? Blank times 2 equals 6. Ooh, that's right here. Blank times 2 equals 6. Good. So that's going to be one of my answers. Blank divided by 2 equals 6. It's using those. I don't see that one on here because, oh yeah, 6 is my big number. You can't have another big number here and have it equal 6 if you're dividing, right? The 6 should be the big number if you're dividing. So that can't be right. That would be a whole other problem and another number added to a triangle that we can't have. So let me try the last one. 6 times 2 equals blank. Well, again, 6 is my big number, so I'm not multiplying times 6 ever. 6 is what it equals when you multiply. So that's not it. So I can see that there are 2 answers here. Okay? So I had to do 2 times blank equals 6, which was here, and blank times 2 equals 6, which was here. So having me write this out was very helpful in helping me figure out